It is a very warm Saturday afternoon, and we are in Beverly Hills at Greystone Mansion. It is a city park, so admission to the grounds are free. The parking is free. The mansion is closed to the public. They are open for special events and tours that you need to book online through their website, so check out the website. But you can explore this massive property, this beautiful grounds of this house, and all the different levels of the grounds and yard up above. So let's go explore, and we'll narrate, giving you a little history as we go through. Maybe we'll just stand in here where it's nice and shady and cool. Edward Lawrence Doheny, the original proprietor of the Greystone land, along with his friend Charles A. Canfield, were the first to strike oil in Los Angeles. They later discovered large oil deposits in Mexico, which combined with their Los Angeles holdings, made them the largest producers of oil in the world at the time. Head down this pathway here to the main part of the house. What we just saw was the pool area. Edward Doheny and his wife Carrie Luella Wilkins had 2 children. Their first, a daughter Eileen, passed away when she was just 7 years old. Their only son, Edward Ned Lawrence Doheny Jr., was born and grew up as heir to one of the world's great financial empires. When Ned decided to marry in 1926, Doheny Sr. gave his son a wedding gift, a premium piece of land consisting of 12.58 acres with sweeping city views, now known as the Greystone Estate. Construction of the palatial manor began in February 1927. The estate took 3 years to complete at a cost of over $3 million, an almost unimaginable sum in real estate at the time. The original cost to construct Greystone's entire estate was more than $3.1 million. The mansion alone cost more than $1.2. In addition to the mansion, the grounds also included stables, kennels, tennis courts, a fire station, a gatehouse, swimming pool with pavilion, a greenhouse, a lake, babbling brooks, and cascading waterfalls. Tragedy struck in February 1929, only 5 months after the family had moved in. Ned Doheny was found shot to death inside the home at the age of 35, the victim of an apparent murder-suicide perpetrated by his longtime personal friend and aide, Hugh Plunkett. Ned's wife continued living at Greystone until 1955. The city of Beverly Hills purchased the property in 1965 for approximately $1.3 million. In 1971, the entire 18.3-acre site, including its centerpiece Greystone Mansion, was formally dedicated as a public park by the city of Beverly Hills. In 1976, Greystone Estate was officially recognized as a historic landmark and was entered into the National Register of Historic Places. In addition to admiring the beautiful architecture on the outside of the building, these gardens are so enjoyable to walk through, even on a hot day like today. And the views behind us of Century City, downtown LA, Beverly Hills, are unparalleled, so definitely worth a visit up here just for that. There is downtown LA in the far distance with West Hollywood Sunset Strip right in front of us. Beverly Hills just beyond these bushes. And then Century City is back there, and we have some friends visiting from Tucson that said, is that the Nakatomi Plaza building? Yes, it is. At Century City, the Fox building from Die Hard, right over there. The structure of Greystone Mansion was built of steel-reinforced concrete and faced with Indiana limestone and is roofed of Welsh slate. There are 55 livable rooms within the more than 46,000 square feet of living space within inside Greystone Mansion. I hope you enjoyed this video from here at Greystone Mansion. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up. If you're not subscribed to the channel, hit that subscribe button. And a couple members of my party are not subscribed to the channel. We discussed that during brunch, so I'm giving her the stink eye right now. So make sure you're subscribed with the notification bell turned on. And you can follow us on social media at the Funnel Cake Blog on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and TikTok. All 3 of those. So make sure you're subscribed. I'm looking at you.
I see.